Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you're on the Digital Micro Trading channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. And this is the Friday order flow levels, January 6, 2023, and it's all about dry powder for the non-farm payroll NFP catalyst. And one thing we don't want to do is get trapped because year to date, only a few days into the new year, we've got a lot of trapped longs from early in the week, and we have even some trap shorts here from yesterday. So we're in a very consolidated bracket as I shoot this video in Globex. And if you see the following slides, we're going to go over order flow levels on the 24-hour, 5-minute, Renko, and most importantly, the 120 for location navigation. 24-hour chart. Let's do the progression of the levels, price action, and order flow. So the levels here are the RTH open at 88. That's how we started the year, and all longs are basically underwater. Globex opened 82, same thing. The congestion area here is this T plus 2 Q4 high, 9 EMA, and anchored VWAP for 2023, 71.3, 1771.3. And the wicks, the candle wicks here seem to be supporting price under 60s being bought. So I'm not going to read a lot into this unless we're well into the 50s. We'll see how non-farm payroll goes. So that's it for levels and price action. The sloping down of the mid Bollinger Band and price being under it, the price action means shorts basically have the ball. It's theirs to lose. Bulls can't get anything done until they can make a close above this middle Bollinger, and that's about a 83.70. And as far as order flow, strength of the hits, we're at a 0 cumulative delta, just peaking over finally after many days over the 0 with a green, a speck of green, I should say. But that's all there is to the 24. Let's go to the 120. 120. So let's circle this mid Bollinger Band area. We've had price below that for several bars so far. I'm looking at that. The red arrows, the algo buy with a minus 22 delta. So when non-farm payroll comes out, I want to see how much violation we go at 58.7. That's my price level based on this bracket here. The bracket high is 70 and the bracket low, again, 58.6, 58.5. So that's the levels, pretty straightforward. Again, this open range here, January 3rd, RTH 1 minute, well below it. Longs are trapped. And strength of the hits here, you can see with this red arrow, we're below the 0 and not a lot of selling right now. Cumulative delta, however, has been ever since the RTH signal, complete sell. It's not turned colors and it's below 0. The one thing I've got is this anchored VWAP here at 64.1, and that's that big bar. This 33 handle bar is from Thursday's RTH open. We just fell like a rock down, and we bounced off the 50-ish from that bar to now. We've got an average weighted price of 64.1. So that's my marker from the 120. We'll see what the non-farm payrolls price action can do. So I'm looking for handles below on a velocity break and same above before I get interested. Chart. Renko. This is basically giving a signal of hands off. And why? Because it's near this red line. Price action, red line, that is absolutely no diddle in the middle. It's either going to be the zip code of Upper Keltner, Lower Keltner. So again, 55.2 on the lower, 74.5 on the upper. And here we are with a algo sell signal right around the red. So I'm all the way dry powder till non-farm payroll release, and we want to see escape velocity either up or down in these edges, and that's where I've got some interest. So thank goodness for this Renko chart. Sit on hands right now in patience. Order flow here, Nothing to speak of, very minute trades either direction. Cumulative delta same, pace same. Next chart. Okay, 10.7 handle range for Globex before the non-farm payroll. So that's not a lot. If anybody's got any handles out of this session, more power to you. But again, I want to stay very liquid here for the non-farm payroll an hour before RTH. You can see the order flow, strength of the hits. It's very diminished here. Cumulative delta, same thing. Supply shut down, no real buyers. Based on everything, I'm going to watch this day one VWAP for Friday. The confluence area is all there, 65, 70. We really are getting tighter and tighter in this bracket, and that means we could have a big break. I don't know if it's going to be Friday or next week. I just don't want to get trapped on a Friday, that's for sure. So that's all I've got for the charts. Stay safe and preserve your capital, because we've got a Monday session going to open, and you don't want to have a bad weekend getting trapped on a Friday.